Hey guys, Tony here. You guys wanted me to do a quick technical analysis on Coinbase basically. Um, I think we're going down. I think we're definitely going down to like 250. Back where the initial IPO was before it had that huge jump to like 310 and it opened um, at those prices. But right now I'm kind of waiting. I do think it's gonna keep dropping a little bit, but I'm not gonna be buying in, or not buying in, but I'm not even gonna be buying puts yet. I'm basically just gonna be I'm looking at today's price action to see what exactly is gonna happen because soon we are creating lows on the stochastic, but I think on these lows that we're creating on these bottoms, I think we're gonna trade sideways. I don't think we're necessarily gonna go back up. I think we're gonna trade within a price range of maybe 303 and like lows of like 287. I think if we do hit highs of 300, I'm probably gonna be buying puts for like 2 weeks, a month out. I do think we're gonna trade between this price range right here. Um, but if I had to actually wait for something, I'd wait for that break on the MACD reversal to actually buy puts, which would be the next time you guys see this little green bubble that got created back in, I think, well, yesterday, April 21st. Is that yesterday, I think? April 21st, yeah, right? No, 2 days ago. So I don't even know what day it is, man. But yeah, I would wait because it does look like the MACD today is going to create a bullish entry. And we might, I don't think we're going to trade up. I don't think it's going to push up. I think we're going to trade somewhere between 300 and maybe like the 287 lows, or we're just going to head straight down. I think we might just go sideways or straight down. I really doubt that we're going to go back up to like 320 or something. But if we hit 300, I'm buying puts. If we go back to like 310, buying puts. If we go back to highs of like 320-ish, I'm buying puts, right? Because I do think long term it's going to be headed back down to at least these 287 prices, if not a lot lower to 250. But a perfect entry would actually be buying, waiting until the MACD actually creates another little green bubble. That's when it would basically be another perfect time to buy, right? Which I think might happen today at the end of the day. I'm not 100% sure. I'll update you guys, but as of right now, I do think Coinbase is going down like other crypto. I don't think it's gonna hit all the way back up to like 400 plus where it was before. If anything, we might go back up to like 300, and then from there we're probably gonna drop back down. We're gonna dip between some sort of price action. I mean, I guess I can just do this, right? I guess I can just do this tier. I mean, actually, like a full, what's it called? Like price action, whatever. So I think that solid entry would be right 312. Nah, that's too much. Do that there. Do first one, price right there. I think second price is gonna be right there, and then I think the next one, we're not gonna use anchored. We'll put the next price zone right around here, and I don't think there's gonna be any more prices that I'd like to purchase. I think that 300 might be like an intraday price, so I think that 300 right here, maybe like 304, 300 something. I think that this might be. I think that 302 might be another price that we can possibly hit for that, at least for price action. But these are going to be your major zones of resistance and support. It's going to be that 39, 310 level, 320, and 333. Other than that, there isn't really a lot of other. I mean, I'd argue probably here, just because we're in that 4, or just because we're a little bit deeper in the 4 hour. I'd probably put a top right here at that 410 level. I would definitely not put it at 428. But yeah, I mean, I'd say maybe today, after we cross on that hour, because I mean, it's giving us a clear buy. It's gonna give us a clear buy signal, right? Once this creates a red bubble, and then the stoke is actually creating bottoms, right? So it's gonna give us a clear buy signal. I think at most we run to 300 or 310 before coming back down, or we just trade sideways. I really don't think that we're going to be going all the way back up to like 420 or 320, but I think as soon as it hits 300, 310, I think I'm going to be buying puts because I think we're going to go back down.